Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I will share you very good news from YouTube, that YouTube is starting ads on short videos. Friends, when you open your channel, you will see a message like here: Shorts ad revenue sharing will begin in early Feb. To enable this and other updates, new YouTube partner program terms will be available to accept starting mid-January. It means YouTube will send us acceptance in mid-January, and if we accept this, then our short ad revenue will be start in early Feb. Friends, there are no revenue on short videos. That's why there is a lot of issue facing by the YouTube members. So YouTube decided to start this revenue on short videos to coverage for more people. This article also highlights changes YouTube partner program that will begin taking effect early 2023. Updated YouTube partner program will be available from partner to accept starting mid-January. We have been hard at work involving and expanding the YouTube partner program. Friends, as you know, some other social media apps like TikTok and Snack Video are giving revenue on short videos so YouTube also decided its start revenue on short videos. So I think this will be very valuable for the customer which have short videos, and as you know, people have no time to make long videos, so most of the people create a short videos. So they will definitely get benefit from YouTube. I think you will understand all the procedure. You can also open your channel and can read this information. Thanks. Bye.